Guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be a cleaning motivation video. If you guys are brand new here or you didn't watch yesterday's video, today's video is day 2 in my summer cleaning series. I am uploading a cleaning video every day this week, so definitely check out to the description box for more details, and I will have my cleaning motivation playlist for this whole series and all my other cleaning motivation videos linked down below, like I said, in the description box. So like I said, today's video is nothing crazy. It's just day 2 of my summer cleaning series, and I am super excited for this series. Seriously, it has been feeling so good just to get back into really good cleaning habits and cleaning every day, and I am just here for it. So in today's video, it's nothing crazy. I'm going to be going through like a quick sweep of my living room and my kitchen, and I'm also going to be tackling some laundry. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to let some music play like for the rest of this video. No more voiceovers. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. I am so close to 10,000 subscribers. When I do get to 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a big giveaway. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for being a part of the summer cleaning series with me, and don't forget to check out the description box. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. But was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere. In everywhere. Every time we have a day, but unrealistic. I know that you like it, baby boy, and I miss that. Can't be like we used to, like we used to. Can't be like we used to, like we used to. Every time we have I shouldn't ever have to feel this way, but every time I try to walk away, you come around and start to love me better. Complicated. I shouldn't ever have to feel this way, but every time I try to walk away, you come around and start to love me better. What do you gotta do? Every time we have all day, but unrealistic. I know that you like it, baby boy, and I miss that. Can't be like we used to, like we used to. Can't be like we used to, like we used to. Every time we have all day, but unrealistic. I know that you like it, baby boy, and I miss that. Can't be like we used to, like we used to. Can't be like we used to, like we used to. I shouldn't ever have to feel this way, but every time I try to walk away, you come around and start to love me better. Complicated. I shouldn't ever have to feel this way, but every time I try to walk away, you come around and start to love me better. What do you gotta do? You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound.